So open plan offices are very, very common now, especially if you're in a startup and you're sharing an office space, but even big corporate organisations are desk sharing and hopping around the spaces, so you don't necessarily stay on the same desk within your own space. And for people with sensory processing difficulties, that can be a very difficult thing to manage. The change every day can be a lot to cope with, which can mean that I'm going to find it difficult to concentrate on what I've been asked to do because I'm trying to just manage the lights, or to manage that the sounds are different, or the temperature, or the air, or the smell. There's so many things within an office or a workspace that can impact someone's ability to concentrate. So if we're thinking about an office environment, some people prefer to work in their own space. Maybe it's their own office, or at least on the same desk in the same location each day. Keeping that consistency is really going to be supportive for someone's sensory needs. They can adapt to how the light shines in through the space each day, or as the year changes around, they can become familiar with their workspace visually, but also physically, how the seat feels, how other people are around them, what kind of conversations other people have within their space. If we think about sounds, people who are hypersensitive, so people who have a low threshold, only need a small amount of sensory information, so sounds, smells, other people, so being in close proximity to other people, and visual information. The way that I manage and tidy my desk will support my own visual needs. Some people love a really busy desk, other people love a really clean desk. So we need to think about people who are hypersensitive to sensations, but also for some people who are hyposensitive, the idea of movement and the visual side of how things change can be really disorientating if you're not in the same space each day.